In today's video, I'm going to teach you check website visitors activity using Google SiteKit 2026, how to see website traffic free. We're going to use the official SiteKit by Google plugin so you can view key traffic insights right inside your WordPress.com dashboard without paying extra for analytics tools. First, head to WordPress.com and sign in. From your homepage, make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one. You'll know you're in the right spot when you can see your site's dashboard and sidebar navigation. Taking a second to confirm the site prevents you from installing plugins on the wrong project. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Plugins. If you don't see a Plugins option, it usually means your current WordPress.com plan doesn't include plugin installation. SiteKit itself is free, but WordPress.com only allows installing plugins on paid plans. If Plugins is available, you're good to proceed. In the plugin screen, use the search bar and type Google Kit. This quickly filters the results so you don't have to scroll through a long list. You're looking for the result named SiteKit by Google, Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Speed. It's the official Google plugin that pulls your traffic data and other insights into one place. Click on the SiteKit by Google result to open its details page. Here you can double-check that it's published by Google and skim the description and screenshots to confirm it matches what you need. This page also shows recent updates and compatibility information, which is useful for avoiding outdated tools. When you're ready, click Install. If you're on an eligible paid plan, the installation will begin right away from the same screen. If the Install button is unavailable, or you see an upgrade notice, that indicates your current plan doesn't support plugin installation. In that case, you would need to upgrade your plan before continuing. Taking this step from the official plugin page helps ensure you get the most up-to-date and secure version. Once installation completes, you'll see on-screen prompts in your dashboard to continue setting up SiteKit. Follow those prompts at your convenience to connect the Google services you want to use. After that, your WordPress.com dashboard will start showing visitor activity, top pages, traffic sources, and other helpful metrics, all in one place. That's it. You went to WordPress.com, opened Plugins, searched for Google Kit, selected the official SiteKit by Google, and clicked Install if your plan allows it. With those actions, you're set up to view your website traffic for free right from your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next